So let's go over setting up this Shizuku again. I will use both method. I'm using more advanced method of advanced version of Shizuku. So I'm going to send this particular one into the group too. Maybe it will help many people to successfully get their Shizuku running, because some people can connect but and do everything but not able to like pair. Even if they give permission to apps, the apps are not running. So let's try this particular one and see if it will be better. So first thing we are going to do is connect to a Wi-Fi. This connection of Wi-Fi, you don't need network. You don't need. Let me even off my internet network. You don't need network for you to use it. And the reason why you are connecting this particular one is just to connect it for the first time. If you switched off your phone, you have to connect again. If you switch and off your phone and on it back, you have to connect again. But if you do not do that, you don't have to connect to Wi-Fi when using this Shizuku or when you are doing your survey. But you can. It's not that you cannot use Wi-Fi on your own. If you want to connect to Wi-Fi, you can connect. It does not stop it from doing what it's doing. But it's just for the permission purpose, because wireless debugging need Wi-Fi to be turned on. So what you are going to do is go to your your phone, go to about phone. There are some people, like Redmi now is the MIUI version that you are going to click on, that will turn on. Is the MIUI version that you are going to click on that will turn on the development mode. But for some phone is the version number. So you have to just look for which of them works for you. Like my own, if you click on the version number 7 times, it is going to turn on my development mode. So after turning on development mode, you can just go back to your system settings. Here, this system settings. I'm showing you step by step of system settings. After development mode, you come to system settings. Then you go to this, you look for your development option. It will be in your system setting. There are some phones, once you turn up development mode, it will just be here. But my own, it will be in the system setting. This is I'm using Realme phone. I've seen it. I'm using Oppo. So if you are using Oppo phone and Realme phone, is the same thing. So once you come to this system, once you come to this system settings, you go to development mode. Then you, first of all, if you are using a Redmi phone, you look for your wireless debugging. Let me turn it off first. Wireless debugging. You first cite this one, then this wireless debugging. After this, there is one that is called USB debugging security. You turn this USB debugging on, then you look for USB debugging security. It will be among this place. You don't go below this place. Just check around here. You will see it just here, around here. It will not be more than here. You will see it. It will be here. So after turning on that one for Realme phone, it will require you to sign in your MIUI, what they call it, your profile, just like this one now. Just like this profile now, it will tell you to log it in. So you are just going to log it in inside here when you are turning on your debugging security option. So once you log it in, it will allow you to be able to run that Shizuku app for. But for Oppo phones, you don't need that. You only need this disable permission monitoring and disable child restriction. If you have these two, just enable the both of them. But if you don't have this disable child process restriction, just disable this permission monitoring. Then to go. So after that, you then come to Shizuku. Like I said before, remember, you need your Wi-Fi. So this new version of Shizuku now, you will turn on this start on boot. It will, when you turn it the first time, it will ask it for a permission. You just grant it. There's no harm. You have to grant it. Then this watchdog, you enable it. Then this TCP mode, you have to enable it too. After enabling it, you can come down to this down side and enable legacy mode. If this notification mode is not working for you, this notification mode, the first time they are going to ask you, when you click on pairing, when you click on this pairing, they are going to ask you to enable notification. You have to enable it. After enabling it, let me format this and show you what you are going to do. The first time you come here to settings, you enable this one. Some might not be enabled. Then you enable this watchdog. Understand? After that, you come down. This particular one, if this method we are going to use does not work for you, you can enable this particular one. So you click on pairing. This is what I'm trying to tell you about. You are going to click on notification option. Then you enable it. Once you enable, you come back. Once you are here, you click on this option. It will not take you to this place. It will highlight it for you, this wireless debugging. You turn it on. After turning it on, you click on it to get in. Once you click on it and click on pairing, then you bring down your notification panel. You see, before you click on pairing, you can just check if it's showing. Should be before this should be showing something like it should be showing searching for code. I think so. Before this particular one, even if it's not showing, you should be able to see this when you click on this pairing with device. It will pop up like this. So you have to just click on it. You remember the number. This is number 67. Tap on it, 671. You go back 21. I mean to say 2153. 2153. Then you send it. Once you send it, it will say successful. Then you click on start. See, you wait for it. Then it will return back to this page. Then it has started running. You can now see all applications that you need to give permission to. But if you did not see that start button on the notification bar, you can still come here and click on the start button. It will do the same thing. You see? So let us now use the other option instead of this. Okay. So let me go back to this pairing and let me forget the existing one. Let me forget this and let me forget this. Yeah, you can just go back now. Let's go back. Let's use this legacy mode. So with legacy mode, let me click on pairing to ask for development options to be enabled. This particular one, you enable it. Then you go in. Then you click on pairing. It will still show this particular this thing here, but that's not what we are looking for. This is what we are looking for now. Once you click on this and go here and click on pair with code, it will show. You see, it will not show code here for you to enter your code. So you can just just put your code 687321, you see, and then you click on OK. See, it has paired. Then you click on start. See, it automatically even turns off your debugging mode. It does not need your Wi-Fi again. You understand? So you don't need Wi-Fi for anything again. Just remove it. Then you give permission to the apps that need permission. Like now, the app that we are going to be using now, first of all, the most important one before every other thing is this SYS proxy, system proxy. So once you give it permission, you come here, then you check if the permissions has been granted. You see, permission has been granted. It shows system proxy disabled, so you can click on enable. If this is not showing ready, that means there is a problem. You have to do it until this particular one is showing ready. You understand? If there are any restrictions, like sometimes you might need to go to app information, then go to battery uses and allow background activity and give it permission for some to work. Understand? So that your phone will not kill the process of Shizuku running. You understand? So after setting up all these ones, then you are now ready to set up your what they call it, Nokia box, which the Nokia box settings are simple and they are already in the channel. So the major problem we are having now is for this to work. So once this works, then you can just do your Nokia box settings. Please subscribe to the channel and also join our WhatsApp group for more guidance if you need any guidance.